Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, you find jQuery tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my jQuery tutorials where I'm explaining jQuery in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss jQuery visibility effects. jQuery visibility effects animate opacity, width, height and overflow properties all together of an HTML element or elements guys. jQuery visibility effects animate opacity, width, height and overflow properties all together of an HTML element or elements. We have hide function and show function, as well as we have the toggle function. Hide function hides the selected HTML element or elements. It takes the duration and a callback function. And remember here both are optional guys. Okay, duration is optional, callback is optional. Okay, here I am telling select the paragraph and hide in 1000 milliseconds. So here duration I have given 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds means 1 second guys. Okay, let's have a demo and understand. I minimize everything. I right click on default.html page, say open with the notepad. You can see that default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to jQuery visibility effects and there is a paragraph. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with the Google Chrome. You can see that default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to jQuery visibility effects. Now I want to hide this paragraph smoothly. So I simply come here and I say dollar in brackets. I say select all the paragraphs in this page and hide them in 1000 milliseconds. So if I save this, go to browser and reload, paragraph is hidden guys, right? If I go back and say here 5000, so it takes more time to hide. It takes 5 seconds to hide guys. If I save it, go to browser and reload, it is hiding slowly. You can see that, right? So you can decide how fast or slow it should animate. So here I'm just telling 1000 milliseconds. If I save it, go to browser and reload. So if you carefully observe what it is doing, it is reducing the opacity, it is reducing the width, height and overflow properties. It is animating. You can clearly see that, right? So that is what the jQuery visibility effects do guys. And we understood the hide function, right? It hides the selected HTML element or elements within the given duration. If you want, you can use a callback function. So here I say comma, I'm going to use anonymous function. Anonymous function means a function without name guys. So we just write function bracket opening closing for bracket. This function is executed after this specified duration. So after 1 second, of course the paragraph gets hidden and then this function is called. So if I simply say here alert paragraph hidden, if I save it, go to browser and reload, after the paragraph gets hidden, you can see that alert box is visible. It is saying paragraph hidden. So that's what this callback function is all about. We have the show function guys. Show function shows the selected HTML element or elements within a given duration, and there's a callback function you can pass if you want. So if I go here and copy this code and paste here, instead of hide I say show. So what happens here? First paragraph gets hidden and then again it is shown guys. If I save it, go to browser and reload, hides and shows, hides and shows. So that is how the hide and show visibility functions work guys. If you want, you can add callback function again here. So if I say here function bracket opening closing flower bracket, I hit enter and I'm going to copy this code and paste here bracket close semicolon. Again I use a callback function here, function bracket opening closing flower bracket, enter, and here I am going to say paragraph show. So if I save it, go to browser and reload, hides, shows, hides and shows again. So that's how the callback functions work guys. So this is actually chaining. You are putting one function inside another function here, right? And also see, I'm going to copy this code and paste down, save, go to browser and reload. See, all the paragraphs are getting animated, right? Because we are selecting all the paragraphs using the tag selector. Okay, that you should understand. Okay, next we have the toggle function. Okay, we have the toggle function. What it does, if the element is visible, it hides. If the element is invisible, it shows. So it's a reverse, right? Okay, opposite kind of. So if I go here and say dollar, select all the paragraphs and toggle and 1000 milliseconds. As by default the element is visible, it hides it. If I save it, go to browser and reload, it hides the paragraph. If paragraph is already hidden, so I am using the hidden attribute, instead of hiding it shows. I save it, go to browser and reload. See, it shows the paragraph. So that is how it works. Okay, so I remove the hidden. Now by default the paragraph will be visible, right? If I comment this, save it, go to browser and reload, see paragraph is visible. And if I uncomment, save, go to browser and reload, paragraph gets hidden, right? Again, if you want, you can use the callback function. I say here function bracket opening closing flower bracket, and then I hit enter here. I am going to call the toggle function again, bracket close semicolon. I save it, go to browser and reload, hides and shows. So that's it guys. That's about the jQuery visibility effects, or you can say jQuery visibility methods. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try this yourself. If you try, you get more clear idea guys. Okay, if you have any doubts, put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about jQuery in depth and step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.